Welcome to this tutorial on the Data Center Carbon Emissions Calculator. IMDA, Singapore, in collaboration with the Energy Studies Institute, has developed this project to better understand the environmental footprint of the ICT sector, with a particular focus on cloud services. This session will be both a discussion and a hands-on training on how to use the carbon calculator. The tutorial is divided into several parts as shown on the screen. By the end of this tutorial, you should have a clear understanding of how each section of the tool works and how to use it to estimate ICT-related carbon emissions effectively.